This is an activity to demonstrate the idea of a converging or a diverging geometric series, and it's something I do just before introducing the idea of a sum to infinity of a geometric series. So I'm going to start off by putting in some coordinates. So the first one is 0a, and then I'm going to put in 1 AR, and then 2 AR squared. To the squared, I'm going to bring in the keyboard and put in squared, and then AR cubed, or 3 AR cubed, etc. I'm going to do them all along, and if I go to one that I did earlier, I've put in coordinates all the way along up to 15. The next thing we need to do is to join pairs of coordinates with a line segment. So I'm going to highlight 2, and if I right click I get the option of a line segment, and if I do that all along, I can put in line segments. You'll notice that the colours are different on all of them. To make it look a bit better, if we have the colour the same, so if I click on one of the line segments and right click, I get the option of editing the draw option. I'm going to change them all to blue. If I do that the same with all of them, if I go to one that I did before, I've done all my line segments and I've changed them all to blue. If I just move the keyboard away, and now we can have a look at how the geometric series changes as we change the value of A and R. So I'm going to go to the constant controller, and if I look at my A value first of all, its default was 1, and if I go up I'm going to change it to an A value of 3, and then if we look down and go to the values of R, I'm just going to change my step size and make my step size a little bit smaller, and then if we go up with the R value we can see that it's a diverging series, and then if we go down with the R value we can see it's a converging series, and if we carry on, see it's converging much faster until we get to 0. Just to go a little bit more quickly, I'll change my step size up to 0.1, and then we've got a negative value for R, and we can see it's an oscillating series now, still converging, and then as we get a little bit bigger we can see it becomes a diverging and oscillating series.